Hey, Charlie Peterson here with Keller Williams Heritage Realty. Wanted to show you my newest listing and my team's newest listing over here in Lakewood at the Crossings in Lake Mary, Florida. Incredible location, great price point, move-in ready home with some of the great updates, including the master bath shower, which is just out of this world. Anyways, please let me know if there's anything we can do to help you out, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, so we're out here in front of the property. As you can notice, there's nice mature landscaping, very well done, well maintained grass here, shrubbery, it's all trimmed back. Newer paint, newer roof as well. 2-car garage, and as you walk in here into the main living space, you're gonna notice the vaulted ceilings, which really makes the place feel a little bit bigger than it actually is. But this is still a very spacious area. So this property is at 3.2, little over 1,700 square feet. Nice screened in lanai off the backside of the patio there, backside of the property, and updated fireplace tile there on the left-hand side. But we're walking through, and that was the main living space. This is going to be considered more of your dining area through here. And then we're back into the kitchen here with painted cabinets, updated stainless steel appliances. Nice pantry there in the corner. Updated tile backsplash as well. And while it's not fully open concept, you do have a nice defined kitchen area. And I mean, if you're anything like me, sometimes when open concept, you can get the kitchen water on there in the sink, and it's hard to hear the TV and so forth. So this is a little bit more defined in the space back there. It can help out some of that noise cancellation as well. So updated fans through here. This home also has gone through a repipe here in recent years. But back here off of this hallway, we're gonna find all the bedrooms. So you have bedroom 1, 2, and then the master bedroom will also be down the same hallway. This is the first one, updated fan, built-in closet, linen closet there in the hallway. Another bedroom with built-in closet. And then we're gonna be heading back towards this master bedroom and the hall bathroom. So here is the hall bathroom. Tile all the way up to the ceiling. Nice vanity, very well maintained. Now this master bedroom's got an updated fan, updated nice tile finish in here. It's a little bit different than the rest of the house, but it is a very nice luxury feel to it. Entering into the ensuite bathroom. I didn't grab a video of the inside of the shower, which is on my fault, but there is a very luxury tall, essentially like a water faucet and shower head that is very high-end stainless steel. They've got multiple jets in it, very neat, and updated tile from floor to ceiling there in the master shower. All right, now we're heading back towards the screened-in lanai. It's great for entertaining space. You got the double slider there. So one of the panels is fixed, so it is opening one wide, not double wide. Insulated roof there on the extended patio. Great space for entertaining, hosting, having a nice shaded spot outside. Let us know if there's anything we can do to help you out.